OnePlus has officially taken a bold step towards addressing the persistent green line issue that has plagued users of its AMOLED displays, particularly in its older flagship models. This display glitch, which often appears as a green vertical line, has frustrated many users and caused significant concern. In response, OnePlus has introduced a new initiative called the Green Line Worry-Free Solution. Under this program, OnePlus offers a lifetime warranty for all devices affected by the green line issue. The company aims to offer a lasting solution by ensuring that users no longer have to deal with the problem. The new lifetime warranty will cover both new and older devices, giving users peace of mind knowing they are protected long-term. The green line issue, although common in OLED displays, has been especially prevalent in India, where OnePlus is first rolling out this program. While users in the US and Europe still receive the standard 1 or 2-year warranty, this move reflects OnePlus' commitment to improving customer satisfaction globally. To further combat the green line problem, OnePlus has improved its AMOLED displays with an enhanced bonding layer and a PVX edge seal. These upgrades are designed to block moisture and oxygen from reaching the display, which is one of the primary factors behind the green line issue. Moreover, OnePlus has significantly strengthened its testing process, with over 180 rigorous tests now conducted on its AMOLED displays. These tests are designed to simulate real-world conditions and ensure the durability and reliability of the devices. In the past, OnePlus had offered screen replacements under certain conditions, as well as discount vouchers for affected users in India. However, with this new lifetime warranty, OnePlus is taking a more comprehensive approach to resolving the issue permanently. If older devices are beyond repair due to a lack of replacement parts, OnePlus has also committed to offering upgrade vouchers, making it easier for customers to switch to a newer model. This initiative is a clear sign of OnePlus' dedication to providing a better user experience and tackling ongoing problems that affect its devices. The company's proactive approach to resolving the green line issue sets a new standard for the industry and ensures that users will have fewer worries going forward.